guys, this is Courtney from Killing It with Coupons. Here's my CVS haul for you guys this week. Everything you guys see here would have cost me $70.84. I paid $13.07 plus $3.68 in tax. I saved $54.09. I used $13 worth of extra bucks and got back $13 in extra bucks, making my net cost $13.07. So let me tell you guys first about the pretty decent deal going on this week at CVS. It is on the Tampax and the Dawn dish soap. Now, of course, this deal would be better if you have 5 Tampax Pearl coupons. However, I only had 4, so I decided to do the Dawn deal as well. Throw in some of those. You would have to do those in 2 different shopping trips or transactions or whatever because they're a limit of 4 coupons. So you could do this and it would probably make it a little bit cheaper, but this is the way I worked it out. So I picked up 4 of the Tampax Pearls, which are on sale for $3.79. I used a $2 coupon from the 3-2 Procter & Gamble, and I also picked up 5 of the Dawn dish soaps, which are on sale for 99 cents. I used 2 $1 off 2 coupons from the 3-2 P&G, and then a 25-cent coupon from the 3-2 P&G. I paid $9.61 and then got back $5 in extra bucks for spending $20, making my final price $4.61, which, depending on how you look at it, it could make them be like, it would make them be either $1.16 or $1.15 for the Tampax and the Dawns are free, or it would be 52 cents per product. So depending on how you look at it, that's how it would work out. Then I picked up 1 of the M&Ms, which are on sale for 99 cents, and I used a 75-cent coupon that is printing from the Coupon Center, making those only 25 cents. I picked up 2 of the Oral-B Cross-Action toothbrushes, which are on sale for $5.99. I used a $3 coupon from the 330 Procter & Gamble. I paid $2.99 a piece and then got back a $2 extra buck, which is a limit of 2. So in total, I got back $4 in extra bucks for buying 2, making those only 99 cents a piece, or $1.98 for both of them. And then the other deal I did was on the L'Oreal butterfly lashes. Those are on sale for $7.99. I picked up 2, and this week when you spend, I believe it's $12, so you get back a $4 extra buck. I used 2 $3 coupons. So I paid $9.98 and then got back $4 in extra bucks, making those $5.98 for 2, or $2.99 a piece, which I know is not the best deal, but it still racked up my savings. So they were still less than what their actually normal price is. And since I had extra bucks that were expiring and not too much to roll them onto, at CVS this week, I just decided that that would be one of the better deals to go ahead and do. So I'll show you guys my receipt really fast. You can see there at the top is the M&Ms, and then the Dawns, which are 99 cents as well. The Oral-B, which is $5.99. The Tampax, which are $3.79. The L'Oreal, which is $7.99. Then my $3 coupons, which were on the Oral-B and the L'Oreal, the 25-cent coupon, which was on the Dawn, the $1 coupons, which were on the Dawn, and the $2 coupons, which were on the Tampax. Then I used a $4, $3, $1, $1, and $4 extra bucks, and a 74-cent coupon, which was on the Mars candies. My subtotal is $13.07. After tax, I paid $16.75 and saved $54.09. So that's my CVS haul for you guys this week. If you guys have a haul, I'd love to read, see, or hear about it via video, picture, or comment. Also, you guys can find these deals and more posted on my blog, KillingItWithCoupons.com. You guys can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram, and Tumblr, and I'll post links to all of those in the description below. And if you guys would, please subscribe. I'll see you all next week. Bye!